What's up, guys? So I'm here at this Target and looks like they restocked on the Hot Wheels. Check this out, guys. They're very cool. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get going before more collectors come here. So this is all G case, pretty cool. So definitely gonna take this Pro Stock Camaro. Nice. Check this out, guys. Dodge Van, free color. Cool. Let's see what else we got back here. Cool Porsche, nice. And care for this one I already have. Already picked this one up. Have this Volvo 850 Estate, pretty cool. Oh, check this out, guys. This Bentley Continental does not look bad in this color, so I'm definitely gonna take that one. I already picked up a couple of these Vets. I'll leave them alone. Okay. Oops. Let's see here. Is it the Super? Is it? Is it? Unfortunately, it's not the Super, guys. But it's a cool casting. So, I'm gonna take it. See what they have over here. Another 850 Estate. This is a pretty cool recolor, but I'm gonna let it go. Okay, let's see what they have over here. Ooh, nice. Check this one out, guys. This Land Rover in this blue looks pretty awesome. Take that one. Let's see what they have over here. Here's another Bentley Continental. I'm gonna take another one in case somebody needs one. Check this one out, guys. Not bad, but I'm gonna let it go. I really love this color. I just don't care for the casting, but yeah, the color is pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. This is pretty cool. Toyota Off-Road with a Holly decals. Not bad at all. Take one. Okay, that one I'll care for. Here's your Vet. Put that one here. I shift them around to make it easier. I already have this one, pretty sure. Tankinator. Check this one out. This one's pretty cool, but I already have it. Check this one out, guys. Nice. Nice, dude. Definitely gonna take this one. Let's see what they have here. This one I already have. Move it to this side. Don't care for this one. Aha! Look what I found, guys. Another treasure hunt. Take this one for sure. Let's see what we have back here. We have this one. Check out this Batman Arkham Knight Asylum. This is a maybe. I'm gonna set it aside. This one I think I already have. Nice. This one I did not have. I think I'm gonna take that one. Pick one of these up for my son. Let's see what they have over here. Check this out, guys. Nice. Nice. This must be new to market, dude. Check this out. This is the Nissan R390 GTI. Nice. I'm gonna take another one of these Toyotas. Pretty cool. Check this one out, guys. This is a 2017 Acura NSX in red. Very nice. Definitely gonna take that one. Already have that one. Let's see, let's move these around. Oops. Let's see what they have. Tankinator. Here's a Dose. Here, I already have this Vet. Here's this little cool plane. This one's actually pretty cool. I think I took one about a month ago. Don't leave it there. Oh, check this one out, guys. This one is new for 2022. It looks like a green vehicle. Total disposal. This is pretty cool. I'll take it. Let's see what else they have. See me rolling. Let's see. Alright. This Rover race car, but believe it or not guys, this is not a fantasy casting. This is a real vehicle. So I don't dig it, so I'm gonna leave it behind. This one's pretty new too. I've never seen this casting. The Venkinator. It's not my cup of tea, so I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else. See what else they have. Oh, nice. 70 Toyota Celica. Nice. All right, guys. Here's another one. Is it the Super? Nope, no Super. Oh well. Here we have the Bones of Steel. Here's another Nissan. Definitely gonna take another one of these. Very cool. Man, today's my lucky day. This store rarely has anything, guys, to be honest with you. So, you know, it's like literally it's luck of the draw at this store. So this one I don't have actually. This Lamborghini Urus. Definitely gonna take that one. Check this one out, guys. 70 Dodge Power Wagon. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna do a wheel swap. I like everything except the wheels. Those muddy wheels. Let's see. Oh, nice. This one I did not have. Definitely gonna pick up one of these. This one's really nice. Oh, nice. Check this out, guys. Check this out. La Troca. Nice. Definitely gonna take that one. Gonna take another one of these 2017 Acura NSX. Pretty cool. I'll leave this one behind. Man, I'm happy with that Troca right there. That truck is gonna be hard to find, I'm telling you right now. Super popular amongst collectors, so I'm very glad I came here today. I think I took a couple of these already, so I'm gonna leave it behind for somebody else. This one I already have as well, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty cool. Let's see, man, I'm so excited right now, guys. Super excited. I'm so glad I came here. I was not gonna come. I was just gonna go drop off a movie, but I decided to swing by to see restocked on the Hot Wheels, and they restocked, so very, very lucky. Let's see. Nice. Oh, check this one out. The 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Check this out. Okay, let's see here. Yep, looks like that's gonna be it. Yeah, all right guys, so that's pretty much it. Doesn't look like there's anything new on these 5-packs. So they got a few of these premiums, but I already have them. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care, God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.